This is James Ennell for the Modularity team. This demo is actually combined work from a bunch of different teams. We have the latest base runtime image, and we have the latest DNF with modularity support from the DNF team, and a whole bunch of modules from the modularity team. The container is also built from the modularity team because unfortunately, it still requires a little bit of work. In theory, it will eventually just be the base OS runtime and the DNF module layered on top of that, and you will get a working image, but there's a little bit more work at the moment. So if we look at the list of modules, we can see we have the base runtime itself, and like all the others, Postgres, Postfix, etc. If we want to look at a module, this basically just the YAML output from the module itself. Obviously, the DNF code is going to clean this up eventually, but there's not been much time to do anything apart from the bare necessities. If we have a look in the DNF modularity directory, we can see that the Varnish module is actually installed. That's it. And as you can see, it's enabled as well. It's also installed, but there's no way to see that at the moment. If we do enable a different module, we can now see that that's installed. And again, it's enabled. And now once it's enabled, we can install it. At the moment, you have to specify the profile that you want to install as well, because the default profile is not correct. That should be simple to fix, so we might get that fixed by F26, but again, it might be going in an update. So now we see that the module is actually installed. We can see that there's not much is actually changed here. As far as the user can see, we still see the default module list. Again, this is a UI thing that we can fix at some point. But the module is actually installed. We can then disable the module, but there we go. You have to specify just the name when you disable it. Again, it's a UI thing. And now it's not enabled. Again, this is where the container is being built at the moment, and this is where you can try it from. It's updated mostly every day as latest DNF and base OS runtime images are released. All right.